Bring it back.
Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Maya.
And my name is Nelson. It's a brilliant day to be a Panther.
In sporting news today, there is a girls varsity softball game against Holy Trinity.
Tonight's game is at 6 p.m. and there is a home game here at Heritage.
There is also a varsity baseball game tonight at 6 p.m. against Palm Bay High.
Lastly, our girls beach volleyball will also play their district tournament today.
Students and staff, our National Honor Society is sponsoring a book donation drive. The drive runs until Wednesday, May 15th. The drop-off location for your new or gently used books is a school cafeteria during all lunches.
Books will be distributed to those in need at University Park Elementary. Please make sure your new or gently used books are appropriate for grades K through 6.
Panthers, are you interested in buying a yearbook? Please stay tuned after the announcements and watch the yearbook promo clip.
Cambridge students, please make sure you are aware of when your ACE exams are scheduled.
There are 3 ACE exams scheduled for tomorrow. Make sure that you are prepared.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!
Hey Lily, why are you so sad?
Because I feel like I'm gonna forget all my memories from this school year.
Through this yearbook, you can have memories that last forever. You want to see?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's me from last year. And it's you. Wow.
Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Lynn, and this is...
Lily, and we're part of the yearbook team. Go get your yearbook at buytheyearbook.com. School ID 715242.